So this video was added in. This is the team from Monument Chemical that they sent to get fire training, industrial fire training. And this is a good illustration of what the manpower it takes to actually put out a fire. You see there's people in the middle that are pulling hoses. Regardless of where you're at, you will get worn out if you don't have the proper backup. You can also see here there's a fire monitor that they have turned on. Now we can see him coming back. You can see one of these guys has the hose over his back, using a little more of his body to pull this hose back. And once they turn this fire monitor on, you could tell how much the wind plays a factor. And even though this thing is, the fire monitor is fixed to the ground, it only takes a slight gust of wind for this water to get away from you, or for it to go stray from the path that you're trying to shoot at. So here, this is what they tell you about, on online training, the pass method. This is the Monument team again. They're demonstrating the pass method here. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, right? Easy enough, huh? No, not really. Once you get in there and you start sweeping, you think you've got all the fire, all of a sudden it reignites and you look down and your canister's empty. The training at TEEX will provide you for situations like that. So I added the last part in there to show you how quickly an industrial fire can get out of hand. That industrial fire blast is not something that you're going to experience in an online training course. It is not. This facility is trying to make this training as much like the real deal as possible. And when you're out in a facility, you've got different tanks, different products, different things that can make this fire blast out like that.